In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the starter located on the passenger side, back side of your engine. This is to cover the Chrysler 300. Now we're going to disconnect your battery. We're going to go ahead and open up the trunk lid. I'm going to go ahead and lift up the spare tire cover area here, and that's going to expose our battery on the passenger side rear of the vehicle. We're going to use our 10mm wrench, and we're going to loosen the nut on our ground terminal here. Once you have that loose, we're going to spin that and disconnect it. I'm going to come on over to the positive side. We're going to do the same here. I'm going to disconnect that, set that aside. On the side of our starter right here, there is an electrical connector right here, and then there's the harness being held in place by a 13mm nut. We're going to start by using a pick, and we're just going to go on the front side here. We're going to press down and work that connector off. Use our 13mm socket. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove that nut. Go ahead and pull the harness off. Make sure we're fully disconnected there. On the back side here, there are three 15mm bolts. We're going to use our swivel socket here to go ahead and pop these out. Now when we remove the last one, you want to go ahead and support that starter. Reaching up there, pull that bolt. There is a ground wire going to that as well. Go ahead and lower that starter down. Go ahead and grab that starter. We're just going to give that a little twist. Go ahead and drop that down and out. Let's go ahead and feed your starter up into place. Go ahead and line that up, and what we want to do is make sure we can get that ground strap into place over here. Line up our starter. And we're going to install our upper bolt first through that ground strap and into the starter. Now that upper bolt started, let's go ahead and get the two lower bolts started. With all three bolts started, let's go ahead and snug those down. What we're going to do is go ahead and you want to make sure that those are snug. They don't have to be super tight, but you do want to make sure that once that bolt is bottomed out, that you give it a little extra there. And just double check. At this point here, let's go ahead and grab our harness. Bring those down and push those on. Install a washer and the newly supplied nut with the starter. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Grab that connector. Go ahead and line that up. And then press that in. Feel it click into place. You're all set. Let's go ahead and reconnect our battery here. Install the positive terminal here. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. And once you have that good and tight, go ahead and install your ground terminal. We'll do the same for this. At that point there, we can go ahead and close down our cover here, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.